everyone, welcome back. So this lot is for sale, guys. I forget. This area is 5,807 square meters. Kagawad and the owner is there. So from this, the owner just put this string, guys. So from that coconut, I think the mohon is there. The mark until where they are. Yeah, this one is going up. There's a flat part here, but more on a bit slope. Yeah, so from there, that coconut, the owner just burn the grass around the coconut. So from that area, you can walk under here. Yeah, this part is flat, that part, and it goes all the way to the barangay road. So until there, until here. Areko. This areko. Manuslok man og kuan oy mata ang sagbot. Areko. Dako oy, areko. Yeah, here and going up. Up kano ta sa ubos. So we're going up, tara na. Yeah, it's a big, and then this one is not included na. It's a neighbors. Yeah, this is a nice place for if you want a peaceful place. So this is a nice place, guys. Yeah. One if you want to live here, if you want to stay here and have some animals, garden. Yeah, this place, oh. Nan. There's a bit mountain. Apil pa ng bukid. Kani? Ah. Unsa ni siya dati basakan? Ah, before they just planted sweet potato here. Mura mag siya basakan. Yeah, it's nice. It's mura siya nag-rice terraces. Apil ang mountain. So that mountain is included. A little bit high part. That one. So this is 5,807 square meters. Yeah, this is included also, guys. This one. And I'm here standing. And you can see our house there. My God. It's high place. But there's flat there. It's like from the lower part to the highest part. Highest. Sorry. To the higher part. This part. The most like part. And I like this part. Yeah, so from there it's big area. It's almost 6,000 square meters. Yeah, look. From there. Going up here. Until to the barangay road. It's really beside the barangay road. Aray ko, ko. Yeah. And here's the barangay road. There is the Mohon here. Yeah. Here. And so, you can see there. And it's overlooking the ocean over there. See, it's big. It's a nice place, yeah. So anyone interested, just contact me or this woman, Kagawad Mayet. So until here. Dako man. So from that area where we stop until here, and this one is included. This is the mountain I'm talking about. Yeah. This is the mountain that I'm talking about, until that side, until here, and then that one. Oh, it's a nice place. You can see there, and it's overlooking. So that's it. Thanks everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.